Our first measurement, measurement number 1, is the inseam measurement. This can be taken with the user standing or supine on a mat or bed. This measurement, when taken, you need to add 2 inches. The next measurement is the crotch measurement to the sternum, or inseam up to the sternum. Measurement number 2. Deduct 2 inches from your measurement. Measurement number 3 is the chest width. This measurement, add 1 inch to your measurement. Measurement number 4 is chest depth. This measurement, add 2.5 inches. Okay, buddy. To adjust the angle of the sternum pad, loosen all 4 screws. Angle your pad at a desired position and tighten. Next, adjust the distance between the sternum pad and the top of the seat. This will equal to your measurement number 2 on your order form. Measure to the top of the seat. To accomplish your desired height, loosen the 2 Allen screws on the seat rail. Raise and lower to your desired height. Check your measurement. Then make sure both screws on the rail are securely tight. Measure the user's inseam. That is number 1 on your measurement form. Actuate the gas spring up. The gas spring has a rise of 7.9 inches. Your user's inseam should be somewhere in between the seat height to the floor and the 7.9 rise in the gas actuated spring. If that is not correct, you can adjust by loosening the 2 screws on the vertical column and shift the vertical column either up or down to your desired height. Next, adjust the thoracic ring. This is accomplished by loosening the 4 screws, 2 on each side of the front section of the thoracic ring. There should be approximately 5 to 7 inches of room from the top of the sternum pad to the thoracic pad. Loosening the 4 screws, this will allow you to lower or raise the thoracic ring to your desired height. Make sure then that you tighten and secure all 4 Allen screws. Next, we want to adjust the width of the thoracic pad. That measurement, again, using page 15 of your user's manual, is number 3. On the bottom side of the front portion of the thoracic support, there's an Allen screw on each side. One here, located here. We want to loosen that Allen screw. That will allow us to adjust the width in and out of the thoracic ring. Find your desired measurement for width. Tighten the Allen screw on the bottom side. You want to make sure that the distance on the right is the same as on the left before you tighten it to ensure that you are symmetrically aligned to the vertical column. Next, we will adjust the trunk depth on the thoracic support. That is found again on page 15 of your user's manual. Number 4 is the measurement you will select. That measurement will be taken from the inside of the front of the thoracic port to the back. Loosening the Allen screw on each side of the thoracic ring will allow you to move the pad forward or back, Select your desired length, making sure that both are symmetrical to the rear. Then tighten securely both Allen screws on the bottom side of the thoracic. Additionally, we can adjust the angle of the thoracic ring by loosening the 4 screws to the inside of the thoracic ring. That will allow us to angle the thoracic ring up or down to a desired height. Select your height, tighten all 4 screws. This can be fine-tuned after the user is in the... To adjust the unicycle seat, we can change the height from the vertical column by loosening the 2 Allen head screws to the front of the seat. That will change the height up or down in fine-tuning. Again, once that adjustment has been made, tighten both of the Allen screws firmly. To adjust the seat forward or back, the T-nut release knob on the back side underneath the seat, we loosen that, and that will allow us to shift the unicycle seat forward or back. When we have our desired position, we can tighten it down. This is going to be primarily for user comfort at their discretion or your discretion as to where you locate it, forward or to the rear. Again, tighten it down. The angle of the unicycle seat can also be changed. Remove the unicycle seat from the unit. Underneath the seat there are 4 bolts or nuts that can be loosened. When these 4 are loosened, it will actually allow you to shift a few degrees in either direction on the seat. Once your desired position has been obtained, tighten again the 4 screws underneath. Flip the unicycle seat back onto the seat rail in the forward position or back and tighten down.